Meaning of hot shoe.
Hot shoe.
Hot shoe.
Hot shoe.
Hot shoe. A hot shoe is a mount on cameras and other devices that allows external accessories such as flash units to be attached. The hot shoe typically consists of a specially designed metal bracket with electrical contacts that allow the accessory to communicate with the camera. The term hot refers to the fact that the contacts are live or hot, meaning that they carry electrical current. This allows for rapid attachment and detachment of accessories without needing to power off the camera. Overall, a hot shoe is a convenient tool for photographers looking to expand their equipment options.